Honorable High Court Judge Sri Venkatramana Garu, Honorable District Judge Sri Sagar Garu, the Superintending Engineer and Mr. Ravi Guvera, Bar Council Member, and the Sri Mallikarjun Garu, President Adoni Bar Association. It is really a great pleasure for me to stand and speak in the presence of such high dignitaries, and I thank all the office bearers for giving me this opportunity to stand before all this audience and express my gratitude. Before I say some words, I would like to say that this disadvantage of speaking in the last is that by the time your turn comes, all the subjects will be spoken to by the other speakers. With due respect, sir. Anyhow, our Honorable District High Court Judge Sri Venkatramana Garu has spoken elaborately about the conditions in Adoni courts, the efforts that are put in by the members of the bar and the judicial officers for getting this project sanctioned. Sir, it is only after you came as the district judge, the pace picked up, and because of your interest, the things started moving your sir. Now thereafterwards, it was our good luck and good fortune that you were elected to the High Court, and it was much easier for us to get it done, sir. And we are thankful, very much thankful to you. And we are also very much thankful to the portfolio Judge Garu, because of her cooperation, this could be done very easily. Now what I submit is, like our Honorable Portfolio Judge was speaking, she has inspected the court hall buildings. Even today, your Lordships may kindly see, when we sit in the court hall, when a very small amount of rain comes, everything will be drenched there inside. The whole roofs will be leaking. And that is the pitiable condition of our district court building. Still, under all this kind of conditions also, our judicial officers are under much stress, have been very relentlessly working, and the bar association, the members of the bar association also are very much cooperating with the judicial officers. On behalf of the members of the Bar Association, I am very much grateful to all of you, sir, for having made this project come true. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, to our Principal District Judge and to all the judicial officials and all the dignitaries on the dais and also the dignitaries who are present here. I treat this day as the most auspicious day in the history of Adoni in general and for judiciary in particular, as demands and desires and requirements of judiciary in particular has become true as foundation stone for the construction of a multi-stored judiciary complex has been laid by their Lordships, Chief Justice of High Court Andhra Pradesh, and physically by their Lordships Madam Vijay Lakshmi and His Lordships M. Venkatramana sir. That we advocates, judicial officers, judicial staff and advocate clerks have been working in a place where basic amenities are not available. But due to timely intervention of His Lordships M. Venkatramana sir and due to continuous efforts of our Bar Council, bar member and the follow-up of their Lordship, foundation stone has been laid. I learned from my father that several representations were submitted earlier, several sites were proposed, several plans were prepared, but nothing had materialized. Fortunately, only the present site where the court has been functioning has been selected, for which we all thank their lordships, as even basic necessities and requirements were lacking earlier. But now, upon perusal of the proposed plan, it makes it abundantly clear that we are going to have our own beautiful judicial complex with all the modern facilities. I, on behalf of our Bar Association, sincerely thank His Lordships, Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and all the Lordships for approving the site plan and sparing their precious time for laying of the foundation stone. I also thank our learned district judge and second additional district judge madam and all the judges who are working in Adoni for their efforts. I feel it to be a privilege to address from this dais in the presence of their lordships, district judges and so many legal luminaries and all. May the God Almighty give us the strength and success for achieving. I congratulate one and all for being a part in this success. Jai Hind, thank you.